So I took my cousin home, and we came back and we got service engine scene light. You can see right there. This is kind of funny because on this car you can do the check gauges. We'll just hold that in and it's going to show what the check engine light's for, and look what it says. I mean, this thing kind of runs off dolphin tears anyway, so I guess we did do a little environmental polluting during that launch control. Yeah, so I mean, that thing's pretty radical. There's no question about it. Glad the launch control worked out good. The video, I'm not too unhappy with the way it turned out, but it turned out kind of weird. It's like when I zoomed in a little bit with the big lens, it was a little bit, in the editor, it looked a little bit grainy. I don't know why that is. It shouldn't have been, but got a little bit of flyby. I feel like that's all we get away with around here without getting just arrested directly. And like it's doing pretty good. So we'll run ISO on that check engine light to make sure that's all that is, but it runs fine. It's not half power, so it's something pretty minor. The thing's getting pretty close, so I mean, I think we're just down a little bit of paint work. Let me roll the windows up in this thing too. A little bit of paint work. We're down to the gas cap lights coming on, which that might be also what the check engine light's for. We need to figure out those little vacuum pumps that suck the evap off the tank. Probably got one of those bad, or one of the lines has kind of got a hole in it or something. But we're getting pretty close on it. We've got this lined out. I'm not big about having this thing mounted right here. I just don't know where else to mount it. And it's sticking out really far from the building, you can see. And it's kind of in your face. I'm a little bit worried about when you walk out the door here, it's going to blast you in the face with hot air from the condenser. But I was going to mount it up there. That's probably a bad idea all around, to be honest. So we're going to have to definitely cut the brackets off with our big grinder and get all that sorted out. But if you guys install these, any of you install these for a living, let me know if that's what you would do with that. I didn't want to put it on the ground because we're going to do more dirt work later on. And there you go. But we might put it on the ground. Who knows? You never know what's going to happen around this place. That's for damn sure. That is going to be the whole entire video, guys. Can't really think I had anything else for you on launch control on the M5. As soon as the AC gets turned on the shop, we're going to go ahead and put together the X5, the valve cover, the CCV. But we've done those videos 100 times, so I don't know if there's really a video in that or not. But we'll definitely give you the updates on it and what the starter problem ended up being with that. That's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you later.